So when you're doing your project, whenever you get to the end of a row, it's always a good idea to stretch your project out like this, and then pull it like this too. And if everything is nice and straight, then you know that you have completed all of the stitches in the row. Now, if you do this, like on the other side, and you stretch and you pull and things are uneven, then you know that you have to add a stitch. Now for this, I purposely left or like skipped a stitch on this row so I could show you kind of how to fix this. If you get to a point where you're like, oh man, I messed up, I skipped a stitch, you can actually work another stitch into this bottom one to kind of camouflage your mistake. So to do that, you could do a double crochet. If you don't feel comfortable with it, that's okay, but I'm going to show it to you. If you want to do a double crochet, you yarn over, and then you would insert your hook into that lower stitch. So then you have 3 loops on your hook. You'll yarn over, pull through the first loop on your hook, yarn over, pull through the next 2 stitches on your hook, and then yarn over and pull through 2 stitches again. And that will make your project look like you never missed a stitch in previous rows. Now, one more thing, another really easy way to make sure you're getting all your stitches. If you look at your project and everything looks like it's nice and lined up here, what you want to do is put a stitch marker in the very first stitch of the row and a stitch marker in the very last stitch of the row. And that is going to help you kind of just keep level so that you have those straight edges that you are looking for. I hope that helps.